Hey everyone, happy last few days of May. Here comes June, and I'm actually back with a plan with me. I'm using some stuff I found around the house that I hadn't opened yet, or that I actually think these Crayola Twistables belong to my kids, but it was like a pack of 50 that had never been opened, so I grabbed some rainbow colors, and let's get started. It's going to be super basic this month because life has just been a little, I don't know, kind of chaotic around here, and I'm tired. I'm tired. Am I the only one that's tired? I don't know. I'm all right, but I'm tired, and I want to get back into good habits, so I'm working on this setup. Stencils. I rediscovered my stash of stencils, so I decided to use some stencils for some really basic lettering this month. And then, because it's June and it's Pride Month, I decided to roll with some rainbow colors. That also happens to be one of my favorite things, rainbows. But these Crayola Twistables, some of the colors I'm liking. They're really hard when you first start them. I like my colored pencils to be a little softer so they blend together better. But the blue and the yellow they feel a little bit softer, and they seem to be blending better. So hopefully the rest of these will start to work as I use them more and more. Or maybe I just won't use them again. So basically this was just me showing you that you can have a little cover page and it doesn't have to be complicated. I really wanted some color this month, and this was a super simple way to get it. And we'll see on the colored pencils or the Twistables. I'm going to continue this lettering through here, but my black pen that I just found around the house kind of died. So I dug out my pens, and I think I'm going to use this one just to fix up my lettering here. So, hey, don't be afraid to change supplies halfway through. If you're ever worried about everything needing to be perfect, I'm here to show you it doesn't have to be, y'all. So then I'm going to go with just my basic calendar spread. Measure it out. I almost have my measurements memorized. I don't even need to pre-draw them anymore, but you are welcome to pre-sketch everything. I usually do just because it always makes me feel more confident, but I also make a lot of mistakes, even so. But that's okay too. I'm trying to grant myself grace. Is anybody else kind of in that stage where they really need to work on granting themselves, and maybe others, but mostly themselves, more grace in life? I'm totally there with you if you are. So I'm just using the same stencil, the same letter stencil. I'm going to look up and hopefully find what stencil set this is from so I can put it in the links for the video, or I'll look for some that are similar. And then I'm just going to number these. But there's no fancy lettering or anything this month, y'all. It's stencils and me. I still want color. I'm not in the mood to start doodling some fancy doodles, so I'm gonna go with polka dots. This red Twistables, I'm gonna work with it, y'all. I'll have to update y'all once I've done some more with them. I'm not loving the way it's shading. I wish it was a little bit softer. But we'll do these polka dots in these rainbow colors. Stripes, polka dots, any sort of designs. Always a great and easy way. You don't have to be an artist to add color to your journal or your planner. You can just use shapes. Use any shapes you like. Now, I did decide to make them look more like bubbles because the polka dots were not making me very happy. These could have become balloons. They could have become, I don't know, part of party confetti. It's really pretty flexible. And again, I'm trying to be easy on myself. I didn't love the polka dots, so I just changed them up a little bit, and I'm liking them more now. The one other thing I'm going to do this month is a mood tracker. I am not doing a habit tracker this month because, let me be honest, I haven't tracked anything with my habit tracker in a while. So if you wondered if a person who uses their journal to plan a lot like falls off the boat, or is that what it's called? Is it falls off the boat? No, it's falls off the wagon. I don't even know what falls off the boat means, so it's probably not a good thing. Yes, no matter how consistently you might use your planner or your journal, it's okay to fall off. You just get back on there, find what works. That's what I'm trying to do this month. So I want a mood tracker. This one's going to look kind of like a graph, I think. I have going up the left side, 1 day for like little column for each month, row. It would be a row. And then I'm gonna do, if you know me, I like to rate my mood. So I'm gonna do that again this month. If you've watched my other videos, I often rate my anxiety and depression. And on that rating scale, like a 9 and 10 is usually like red and it's not good. But I wanna do a little different this month. And 10 is gonna be like best mood ever. So red's like low mood, 0 to 2. Then orange, yellow, green, 7 to 8. And 10, 9 to 10 is the blue. And this is my super simple plan with me because y'all, I haven't done one. I didn't do it last month and I wanted to this month. So I just got back on, went with something simple, grabbed some colors I liked, kept it super simple, basic, and did it. And now my goal is to actually use it. Please let me know if any of y'all are having a rough time. And thank you for tuning in again. Always hit me up with any questions or comments here, or you can email me or find me on Instagram at the.petite.planner. I'm always here to chat, and just know you're not alone no matter what ups and downs you're dealing with. Have a great day.